Hey, little explorers. Welcome back to Global Adventures. Today, we're diving into some super cool facts about the England. Are you ready for an awesome ride? Let's go. Oh wow, Jody, look at that. Whoa. It's a lion. The lion is England's national animal. But wait, lions don't live in England, right? So, why a lion? Well, lions are super strong, brave, and are called the kings of the jungle. Just like how England is known for being strong and full of courage. Roar like a lion. Okay, now let's talk about England's favorite dishes. At the top of the list is the iconic fish and chips, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Right behind it is the ever-popular chicken tikka masala, a delicious blend of Indian spices and creamy sauce. Okay, let's talk about England's national anthem. It's called God Save the King, and it's a very special song that reflects our pride and support for our country. People sing it during exciting events, like sports matches and national celebrations. Let's talk about England's famous places. Our first stop is Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, iconic landmarks on the River Thames, admired for their Gothic architecture and historic role in British democracy. Next is Tower Bridge, a stunning feat of Victorian engineering. Completed in 1894, this drawbridge is famous for its distinctive twin towers and panoramic views of the River Thames, making it a must-see attraction for visitors.